I don't think we play bad in the second half. We were just controlling the game. Tell me if the opponent dominate us, as my goalkeeper saved balls in the second half. If we should have be dominated or overplayed, my goalkeeper should have been perhaps the man of the match. I don't think it's like that. I think the man of the match is the goalkeeper of who is shooting, but in the first half keep the team in the game. If he make 3 brilliant saves, without that it should have been 3-0 at the half time. A bit like last game, you said, but I think we won 2-1, not 1-0. Okay, it's just the opposite result than when Yanga played the first game here against Robu Shooting. Yeah. And we are happy for that, a clean sheet, and again a win in the league. So we continue on marathon because, like I told you, we are not robot. We are just human being. And playing 9 games in less than 1 month is very difficult. The club now improve a bit, certainly. We took a qualified physio. We are doing ice bath and all these things, but we still don't have the means that they have in Europe, with special rooms, cold rooms, and all these things. We don't have 8 masseurs and all these things. So in Europe, when they are playing each 3 days like that, they are crying. Us, we have to do it because you have to accommodate for the fixture, for the federation and the channel. So, but we continue on marathon. So it's normal that you cannot play 90 minutes each 3 days. You will play again on Tuesday, under the heat, on this artificial ground. It's very, very difficult, very difficult. I cannot say it's the same than last game. Absolutely not, because for me, we control the game in the second half. We didn't play a good soccer, but the last 10, 12 minutes again, we could have again scored 1 or 2 goals, but we missed. For the rest, my goalkeeper has never been in danger, not like last week. So that's my analysis, and I want to congratulate my boys. Clean sheet, 4 win or 5 win, and now we are taking points after points. It is good. We have to take 1 game at a time, and we have already to focus on the next game. I think, because we never know what is happening during the training session, I think I will introduce 1 or 2 new boys next game to refresh some legs. Not to undermine the opponent, certainly not, but to give the chance to some players to rest and other players to get the chance. But we will see exactly what I will do. But I'm very happy about the win because it was a tough opponent who beat Yanga in the first leg.